the Pumbas, bro.
She's really on the floor. I dare you to do your car. What's up, guys? You're watching another video. It's a new day. I hope you guys enjoyed yesterday's video. It was the wrap reveal. Showed hella love on that video. Hella love on the merch drop too. If you guys have not already, go cop the merch right now. It's the first link down below. We only have a few more t-shirts and a few more hoodies left. And a couple more stickers too. So if you guys want to get the merch, it's shopfindingnick.com or the first link down below. Tonight we're gonna go to a CARMEET with the homie Kevin. A bunch of people, honestly. It's called the Creator CARMEET. So it's a bunch of like TikToker and car people. We're gonna head there after this. We're getting Hugo's car washed real quick. My car's already kind of clean. Probably go home and wipe it down real quick. This will actually be the first CARMEET with my new wrap on it, so it's gonna be crazy. Yeah, we got Hugo here washing the E92, and it looks so good, bro. With the Conce wheels on there. Sheesh. I love these wheels. This might be my favorite style from Conce. I think when I had my E92, I always had no gas too.
110 bucks.
Alright, before we leave, since Hugo washed his car, I washed mine yesterday, but this shit gets hella dusty. Look at that. We're gonna wipe it all down with some detail spray, and it should look clean, hopefully. Now we're in the GTR. We got Hugo in the front. My car is so quiet compared to Hugo's. The E92 just screams, bro, and the GTR is very, very quiet, honestly. The only time my GTR is like really, really loud is when I'm doing the pops and bangs, but Hugo's car is, you can't even make it quiet, bro. I miss the E92 so much.
Oh my god, holy macaroni!
It's a holy macaroni. You see it?
Why do you do that rap? I love the freaking rap!
Guys, I was more excited to show them two more than anyone else.
I had to hold Armand because he was trying so hard to run out.
I didn't know he was doing good to get my camera ready.
I know that's a badass color.
He said badass. Oh my gosh.
I like the gold on there.
It's cool, huh? It changes all kinds of colors.
How is it green and then purple?
I know, it changes so many colors.
Why
It's so crazy.
That would be
You like it like that?
100 of 100.
Oh my gosh. You want a picture?
You want a picture?
It looks cool, huh?
You're so cute. Come here, Armand. You too.
I don't want to.
He said.
What is that car?
No way! That's the bottom green.
Alright, we just made a quick little pit stop because I had to show Emma's little brothers the GTR wrap. Now we're heading to the CARMEET and we're already late, so we gotta hurry up. All the Beamers and then the one GTR. It looks sick though, red with the carbon trunk. Look, there's another E92. Hugo's not the only one. Look at this guy's taillights. Run, LOL. I'm not running, buddy. I'm right here. No, I'm just kidding. That's pretty funny though. Alright guys, we made it. It's in this parking structure and there's so many cars, bro. We've been in this line for over like 10 minutes. There's so many cars. I feel like the GTR is gonna get so much attention right now, guys. It's his first CARMEET with the new wrap. And today is actually the day that I revealed it too, so I feel like it's gonna get a lot of attention. Hopefully some of you guys are here too, so you guys can see the color in person. I love these parking structure CARMEETs, guys. It makes it feel like we're in like Tokyo Drift or Fast and the Furious or something. Man, that's like midnight purple right there. Oh, this shit is crazy. Everybody's just revving it in here. Of course, it's all the VQs on. Oh my gosh. Oh my god, this place is crazy right now. Damn, look at the gears right here. Gears are so hard. Yeah, crazy. That shit slammed too. Oh, that looks so nice, bro. It doesn't sound the best, huh? But it looks pretty good. If only these newer BMWs sounded good, bro.
That shit is dope.
You guys see? That's the reactions we need, bro. What is that, a pink Porsche? I'm missing out on so much content, but I'm stuck in this line.
Start spinning freaking flames right now, dude.
It won't do it, bro.
Do it there.
All right, guys. Well, look where I parked. Everybody just parked in the middle of the road right here. There's no way we're gonna move out of here. We're stuck completely. Look at Hugo. We're stuck in here, Hugo. This is insane. I don't know how we're getting out of here. How did he make it up here, bro? Oh my gosh. This is also the homie from Fresno. What's up, bro? How are you? I'm good.
I
didn't know who it was. I didn't know it was you.
We're up here, and I'm not gonna lie, I haven't really seen that many cool cars. These are pretty cool. A pink AMG GT E30. Oh, that one's pretty sick. Damn, that shit's hard. That shit is sick. Is it? Damn, this shit's nice, bro. Sheesh. It's just like Hugo's, bro. Same color. It looks kind of cool. No speed. Where the flames at?
That's it.
That was loud. I missed my car, bro. Kevin. You like that? That is so loud, bro.
Hey, more. Rodberry.
Look how sick this F80 is, guys. Red. Some BBS's. Damn. And white interior? That's a sick ass spec, bro. That's white interior.
Yeah, this thing is beautiful.
Damn, that's nice. Look at this thing, guys. Oh my god, bro. That is wild. E36. Very odd cars here, bro. I haven't even seen like one Lambo or anything like that. Look, guys, there's an R8 chilling here. All undercover. Damn, it looks sick. I know center exit exhaust. Oh, I didn't even see that. E92. M2. Oh my god. E36. A red one too. This is wild. Look at this. People are doing burnouts in here. Oh my god. Look, guys, another BMW. There's so many Beamers here. Like M4, G80. Oh my god, satin white. It's probably paint. Maybe. Old school Porsche. Fun fact, my dad had one of those. I should have kept it on. Slammed it, wide bodied it. Got some like drift cars. They look like some drift cars. Look, I found some GTRs. They were hiding behind all these people. Why does it look like kind of like my wrap? That color is hard. I thought about doing a Tiffany blue, guys. I was very, very close to doing Tiffany blue. Oh my god, that's how you know it's getting shut down. Now I'm scared. Bro, it's literally pointing right at us. Oh my god, guys, look at this. 1, 2, 3. And a helicopter? I think they are on.
Those are undercover cops, bro.
They look undercover. That dude looks like he has a gun on him, but he's in like casual clothes.
Out of the parking structure.
He said everyone get out of the parking structure. I wish I could, bro. Honestly, I really kind of want to get out of this parking structure.
Before it gets worse.
But I'm stuck, bro. Look at this, guys. 1, 2, 3. I just want to get out of here, bro, and I feel like we're not gonna get out of here. What the heck? That's the homie JP. Yeah, that shit's hard. Look at guys. Oh, you do got the merch on. That's hard.
I ordered the one that you just
Today? This one?
Yeah, I ordered that one today.
That's sick, bro. Thank you. I appreciate it. There's no way they put T's on that, bro. It actually looks kind of sick. Damn. I don't understand how people rev it for this long. Like, people have been revving it for over an hour, bro, and they do not stop. I just don't get it. Everyone's asking me to rev it. I'm like, bro, no, I'm not revving my car. I feel like revving is just so annoying, bro. All these cars make the same noise, dude. Sheesh, that was scary, bro. We just passed like 5 cop cars. Finally, we are out. We all the homies on the freeway now. Who wants to race? What's wrong, Hugo? You tired?
I'm tired and I'm full. I can't even. You want to drive? It was just so hectic, bro.
Yeah, it was just revving.
Then,
that's all there was,
yeah,
guys.
And then we were just stressing of how the hell we were gonna get out. We were literally stuck sitting in our cars for like over an hour. We could not get out.
And there wasn't that much crazy cars, honestly.
No, it wasn't.
We got the Shelby. It's just sick. All these guys are from Fresno. Even Hugo. All the Fresno guys, bro. I think tomorrow we're all gonna cruise to another meet too, so stay tuned for that vlog. Stay tuned. See, look, stay tuned for tomorrow's vlog. That wing is crazy, bro. That shit's huge. Oh my god, bro, I'm gonna have to take this dude's hood. His hood is so beautiful, bro. And his headlights. And he has a front bumper like mine. Oh my god. My car has potential, guys. It's the same bumper as mine, except he got the whole lip painted, which looks beautiful.
You like it or what?
But I love the front end. It's literally my car. Same bumper, same hood, and same headlights, but my shit's all clamped out.
You like it?
I'm gonna steal your hood. I'm gonna steal the hood. I'm gonna steal these. We're on the way home now, and me and Hugo thought it'd be funny to switch cars. And I just really want to see my car driving on the street with the new wrap. I have not got to see my car on the road with this color, so I'm excited. Oh, it looks so good. And we got the stars on the roof. Bro. Bro, I'm not used to driving a loud car anymore. Like, I'm not even stepping on it. Oh, that color looks so good, bro. I never get to hear my car, guys, or see my car driving. It's literally the best feeling ever seeing your own car drive, bro. I've said it before. And with the new color, sheesh. This is pink. Get the intakes, guys. The intakes are loud. Damn, bro, that shit is so sick. Oh, you guys hear that? Oh my god, you guys having too much fun. I know you guys want to see me back in another E92 though. Hugo's freaking out because he's never heard his car from the outside either, so it's so loud. You definitely gotta switch cars again in the daytime so I can see the wrap.
I might sip out this bottle until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 25. I'm thanking God for letting me see him.